we're going to the usual. After church, we go to getting more pumpkins. Here I go. Blackberries. The cherries are here. I don't know, do you want this? Are the cherries there too?
Ito rin yung binili ko imported.
We got honey mangoes and then
Try na lang sa... Di ba sabi sa Pilipinas yung malalim yung dito sa mata?
getting these potatoes. Now for the protein, we're done with the produce. Yellowfin tuna.
We're gonna start shopping here.
Do you want yellowfin tuna? You want yellowfin tuna?
You want yellowfin tuna?
I'm getting yellowfin tuna. I'm getting salmon too. Oh, they even have sea scallops, you see? Sea scallops, shrimp.
Right. Remember, this used to be like
This one is like already ready to cook salmon. And then flavored or seasoned shrimp. This is chili verde. And then it's $8.58. And this is tandoori. Shrimp tandoori. Oh, then shrimp tandoori. Great idea. Maybe we can make one.
How many pieces?
Shrimp tandoori. I don't know. It's not enough. I'm getting the duck breast.
This is the meat and seafood. This is the sauces and junk food. And these two are the produce.
Ground beef, ground lamb, ground bison, and ground pork.
Pesos ang no?
Yeah.
Extra,
Ito, gusto mo ito?
pasweldo.
Ay, 14 yan eh. How about that one? Ay, sugar in the raw. The piñe mix. The piñe mix. Is that it? You like piñe, right? For snacking.
Is it the balls?
Yeah, yeah. This is our favorite milk, Fairlife. Always cage free. Amazon fresh eggs are always cage free.
Dark and shell.
Snacks this week.
Welch's.
Huh?
Welch's.
Welch's.
This one.
I'll go get it. Are they individually packed? Check it out first.
They are.
Yeah.
Two pouches.
Pouches, yeah.
And check the expiration too.
Not me.
We're getting honey maple and then oven roasted turkey breast. Bakery. This bread is back. Which one? Which one do you like, Josh? This one too, Josh.
And one maple. Did you guys?
Two maple.
You already did?
No, we haven't.
You get
Two.
two maple?
Two.
And then lemon.
Yeah,
The rest lemon.
that's good. Most weekends you're on duty. Oh, that's good.
Yeah, crispy cream. There's a coupon here. Like $10 off. Okay. Let's do the coupon, Josh. Coupons. Oh, coupons. And then scan the coupon. Did it like
Yes, it did. It did. Done. There you go. See? You saved $13. Let's go.
let's do a quick shopping haul. Let's do the ones that are going to the fridge first. We have the salsa. Let me fix this. We have the salsa. And then we have Fairlight chocolate milk. And then Fairlight 2%. And then we have Camembert. We have the Fairlight 2%, the Fairlight chocolate milk. We have the Camembert, the salsa, spaghetti, and then we have Ziploc. This is cup topping. And we have sugar in the raw. And then the Coffee Mate. We ran out of Coffee Mate. And then this is Josh picked this one, the Napoli, for our dinner tonight. Tonight we're having more of like finger foods. And then also for tonight, maybe for tomorrow, we got the baguette. 2 baguettes. And which one? We have another charcuterie sampler here. And we have potatoes and mangoes, and we have more potatoes here, and then let's fix this. Mangoes and potatoes, and have here a super cool flashlight that was gifted to me by Warzone. This is super compact. Look at how small, and so this could fit in like really small purse and even a wallet. There is a clip, so you can clip this onto your wallet. A flashlight is more of a necessity. We have like flashlight through our cell phone, but it is not as bright. This one is really bright, and this is rechargeable. So you attach the USB-C onto the flashlight and then charge on a USB-A. So you don't have to worry about replacing the battery. This is LED, shock resistant and waterproof. So even when it's raining, you can use this under the rain because it is waterproof. This has 5 settings. So the first one, when you turn it on, this one turns on, the one in front. And the second one, there is like this like space here that turns on when you press it the second time. And then this has 3 more of intensity of light. So that's the first one, the second one, and the third one. Look at how bright. And then I'll show you this to you outside too. And then you have this, like, I really love this one, the strobe like sort of lighting, which is in case you are in an emergency, you can just like use this one. And also when you are like jogging or running on the street, and for like more like safety, you can like clip this onto your like shirt, and then you can like run maybe in like more of like in your back, and then like so like cars could see you like this. Okay, I'll turn off the light. So see, so you could run or you could jog and then you have like a light. As you can see, the light is really focused, so this is like really helpful when you go in a theater and it's dark, so you can look into like where you are walking into and without distracting others. So as you can see, this is like really nice to have, and it's super affordable too. The place is dark and you need to use both hands. You can just clip this in here, and then say for example I'm harvesting vegetables and it's dark, I can just clip into here and then I can harvest, and I have the light that I need to harvest vegetables. See? So this is very useful, especially now when it gets dark early, and if you still want to like run or like walk or like work out outdoor, then this one is really helpful. Like just like putting it there, like if you want to walk or if you are like riding your bike, you can just place it there in your back, for example, and like the other motorist could see you. See, if you are walking, then you see. So if you don't have one yet, make sure to get one.